your first impression when visiting Bali?
Very good, peaceful. I like it. Like nice people.
Before we next to the question, it would be nice to introduce ourselves first. What's your name, bro?
Brian.
Ryan. Noval.
Noval, nice to meet you.
Where you come from?
Belanda. Netherlands.
Belanda.
Yeah.
I'm from East Java.
Yeah.
My question, bro. How would you rate the overall management of tourist destination in Bali?
So,
How would you rate the
yeah.
overall management?
I think, yeah, it's a lot of tourists here. But sometimes it's more, you could put more things together, like make it easier for some people to find. Like some same things are difficult to find.
Rating 1 until 9.
10 to the
Until 9.
1 out of 10.
Rating 1 until 9.
Oh, okay. I think 7.5.
Question number 3. Do you feel safe while traveling in Bali?
Yeah, sure. I never had any problems.
How long you in here?
4 months now, and I'm staying for 6.
Question number 4. Do you think tourism in Bali pays enough attention to environmental sustainability?
Yeah, I think so.
Last question, bro. Are you satisfied with the management of tourism in Bali?
Yeah, it could be a little bit more easier sometimes, but I think mostly yes. Yeah.
Thank you.